Hey guys, on today's coverage with Crowley, we're going to talk about what the difference between flood insurance and water backup of sewers and drains when it comes to that wet basement that you have. So we see this all the time. You hear it all the time. My basement flooded. But did it really flood? Most of the time here in central New York, it's not flooding. We recently did a video about what is flood insurance and if you need flood insurance in the state of New York, and it really dives deep onto explaining what is considered a flood. And the bottom line is if it is not inland or tidal waters that happen to overflow or a rapid accumulation and sudden accumulation of surface water, it's not considered a flood. Also, in order to be considered a flood, it needs to damage at least 2 or more acres of normally dry land or 2 or more adjacent or near adjacent properties. Outside of that, most of the time when somebody is complaining or talking about the awful situation they're in because their basement flooded, it's usually due to the coverage, water backup of sewers and drains. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, owner at the Crowley Insurance Agency. Hopefully you, between the videos, this video, and some of the other videos we linked in here, you're going to get a better understanding of what the difference between flood insurance and water backup is. Most of the time, when you hear people talking about the damage, they're talking about their sump pump failing, their drain in their basement backing up, whether it's water, whether it's sewage, coming up and damaging their personal property and a major mess that they have to clean up. Our agency makes sure that every homeowner's client that we have knows about water backup coverage. It is not a guaranteed on all basic homeowners policies. It needs to be added separately as an endorsement. Make sure that you have this coverage. We talked about it in the video linked here about water backup, that you have it, because if something's going to happen to your basement, most of the time, depending on where you live, it's going to be because of a backup of a sewer or drain. Hopefully you guys found this video to be helpful. If so, hit the thumbs up like button below. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again soon.